Kaon. Dong.
Ayaw ko subo mo.
Ah. Talong, ulam. Tapos kamaro. Kung kwan guys,
Baka nilang huwag tayo nila.
laking probinsya ka. Alam mong ulam to. Kamaro.
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 Ulibot. Ulibot bidugo.
Laking subo. Wala yung mga nagmumukbang na yan. Tatalunin ko. Kamatis. Simpleng buhay lang dito sa probinsya.
Simpleng buhay na? Takang.
Sarap.
At si ilang na yung ulam kustan. Ulam na. Jerome,
Talong.
Sudah mo Jerome natin. Darawa.
Yung lechon baboy sana. Mumukbang ko yung ulo ng lechon baboy sa susunod.
Di ka nang magbibigay? Bigyan mo sa Mara. Anak mo mo.
Sarap.
Bigyan na. Ano sa second lang? Makapaan lang tayo. Okay, bilad.
Pan ko na dito.
Buti may laman tumbler mo.
Kamayan, kainan ni Aling
Ayun si Kuya.
Teresa.
Tapos natin eh.
Grabe ka, tol. Si Mike.
Natunaw ko na yung sukal dyan. Ay, hindi.
Sarap.
Yo, guys. Wala lang nga pala sa inyo. Si Custom News. Custom News is free to download app for you to create your own clothes. You can choose templates for look and colors, styles,
Tidak mo rarawan ka na.
however you want. Once you're all set, make things and family. Ngayon, tignan natin si Chris sa ating dalawa. Ito po yung mga kanina.
Ang palaya na bilog.
Nasaan na ba yung murder na yun? Bingo
Ang palaya. Pampatanggal ng diabetes.
Sabi mo, tol.
I have an easy solution where you can create UGC clothes.
The solution is Customers. Let's make this.
O tubig, baka mabulunan ka. Magpatanggal
Kaya ko rin magmukbang.
Right? I like necklace. Awesome. Click share button and make 3D render. You can choose the background you want. Video is cool, right? You can see the avatar in 3D. Finish! Customize link in my bio.
Okay, you can stop now. Can we do another dance?
Shoot.
Ulo.
Do you want to create Roblox clothing just like me? Well, now you can using custom use. First, go onto their website, customs.com. Then this screen will pop up. Just click Go to Web App. Next, sign up with either your Google account or Apple account. After signing up, you will be taken to this web page where there are millions of templates for you to choose from. Or you can make your own by clicking Create. However, I'm just going to use one of my own designs and remix it. Click whatever template you want to use and click on Remix and remix new outfit. Then this screen
Nakalive ka pa?
has a lot of options to choose from. I'm going to start by
Pagdala natin ang text ang notebook. Consulting ka naman.
then clicking Fabric 1. You can change the color of the top to any color. And now you can make your clothing item.
Guys, tapos na.